Is water an element, compound, or a mixture? It really depends on the context. So historically, if we're thinking of classical elements, many cultures had earth, water, air, and fire as the four elements. And you also may be aware of a TV show where water was one of the elements along with air, fire, and earth. But as a chemist, when we think about water, we think about H2O. In H2O, we have two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, and they're held together by a chemical bond. This right here is the chemical bond, and they're sharing a pair of electrons. So we have a chemical bond here as well, where they're sharing a pair of electrons. That makes this a compound. So in chemistry, when we're talking about water, we're talking about a compound, H2O. And it's a compound because we have a chemical bond involved between the atoms, between the elements, hydrogen and oxygen. But we're talking about pure H2O, just water, something like distilled water. What if you had tap water? Tap water actually contains a number of things. It has H2O, just our water molecule there, but it also has things like calcium ions and some chlorine gas perhaps involved, and other things just dissolved in there, not chemically bonded, but mixed with the water. So tap water, that's going to be a mixture because we have different substances. They're not chemically bonded together, they're just mixed together. So really when we're talking about water, in a classical sense, maybe a historical sense, it could be thought of as an element. In chemistry and the sciences, we consider it a compound because there are chemical bonds between the hydrogen and oxygen atoms. If you're getting water from the tap, though, it would be a mixture because you have different substances together but not chemically bonded. This is Dr. B answering the question whether water is an element, compound, or mixture. Thanks for watching.